a taste of goodness. Okay guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Vanell Cooks, and today I'm sharing the recipe for this very delicious and healthy soup, smoked fish or dry fish soup. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please do the needful so we can get to it. Have you done it? Good, let's get right to it, y'all. Alrighty, so getting started, I'm just cutting off the heads of my garden eggs, and I'll go ahead and divide them into halves, not all the way through. Now I do this just so that it cooks a lot faster than usual. Now you can totally replace your garden eggs with carrots because it works the same magic, which is it serves as a thickener to your soup. So you can use garden eggs, carrots, or you can completely omit it if you prefer. Alrighty, so to that I just added 3 habaneros, 1 small onion, 3 small Roma tomatoes, and some turkey berries or kwensusa. Add a tad bit of water to that, cover it up and bring to a boil. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and dice 1 small onion. Don't forget to check the description box for all the right quantities, okay? So I just sliced half of that, and I'm gonna go ahead and chop up some ginger and add it to that as well. Just like so. Now I'm just going to go ahead and dice the remaining half and set it aside for later use. Just like so. Okay, so now to a blender I'll add my sliced up onions and ginger, 3 garlic cloves, and I'll reserve this ginger for later use as well. To that I'll add some anise seeds, whole cloves, a tad bit of water, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a blend. So next I'm adding my smoked or dry fish to a pot. Now you can use any smoked or dry fish that you prefer. So in here I just added some bodobi, I think that is what it's called locally. I added a few herrings or amani. Now I'm just adding some tolo beef, and of course my kako. How can I forget my kako? To that I'll add some precursor or aiding fruit, my chopped up or diced onions, just like so, my blended up onion, ginger, garlic mixture. Rinse out the blender and add that to that as well. Add a tad bit of water to that, season with some salt, cover it up and bring to a boil. Beautiful. Now I like to have okra in my light soups, or in my soups generally, if I'm being honest. So I'm just going to go ahead and prep these and boil them with the light soup at some point. You can boil them separately if you prefer. Okay, so checking on our soup base, it smells amazing. Okay, so to that I just added some shrimp powder, add a tad bit of water and give it a rough shake. Now with this soup you don't do a lot of stirring because you end up breaking all your fish apart. Now checking on our vegetables, they are ready. Look at how easy the knife goes through that. Look at the tomatoes, they are ready guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn down the heat and get it off the heat source. Okay, I'm getting everything but my onions into a blender. I'll set the onion aside and blend it later because I don't want to strain it and lose my nutrients. So now with the same boiling liquid, I'm going to go ahead and add everything into a blender. Add enough water to cool the boiling liquid down. Add some fresh ginger for some kick, you know, and give it a good blend. Alrighty, so we'll just go right ahead and strain our blended up ingredients into our soup base. Now like I mentioned earlier, there is very little stirring in this soup making, so there's no point in stirring before pouring. Okay, no stirring before pouring. Okay, just go ahead and add as much water as you need because that is the majority of your soup. Okay, add as much water as you need or to your preferred consistency. Now as you can see, it is still a little bit thick, so I'm going to go ahead and add water to my consistency that I prefer. Okay, give it a very quick and sensitive stir. Okay, cover it up and bring to a boil for just about 20 minutes. Now to a blender, I just added my onion and some tomato paste. Add a tad bit of water and blend until very smooth. I'm pouring my blended up onion tomato paste mixture into the soup now. No straining, okay? Yes. Okay, so here I'm just adding some mackerel, smoked mackerel to the soup, or salmon as we call it in the market. Give it a very careful stir and continue your 20 minutes boil, just like that. After 20 minutes, look at the soup now. It has cooked down beautifully, so much different, so flavorful, and it smells incredible. Okay, you need to try this thing, yo. I'm going to go ahead and give it a very quick stir, not a very thorough stir, okay? And then come in with my Koobi or smoked tilapia fish, my boiled okra or okra, and then pop in some habaneros for some extra heat for those of us that like heat. Now don't forget to scrape off the sides of your pot and incorporate into your soup, because all that is your flavor and you do not want to lose your flavor, do you? Yeah, so I almost forgot my mushrooms, but better late than never. I quickly added them on. I'm just going to cover it halfway and allow the steam to cook the mushrooms for just about 5 to 10 minutes. And does this look good, or does this look good? Head on over to the kitchen right now because it is serving time. Oh my goodness, the aroma clouding this kitchen right now is to die for. You can absolutely enjoy the soup alone on that cold rainy day, or you can pair this up with your fufu, banku, you name it, okay? Mushrooms kakra, we dey mre kakra, eyi amane kakra, bibia kakra, everything kakra, beef kakra. Oh, ready. So now it's time for you to grab your seats, get your cutlery, and answer on sabra, and let's enjoy. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I really do hope you enjoyed yourself, because I sure did enjoy this recipe myself. And remember that the first step to every tasty meal is cooking with love. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.